Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the surface and tools. This saves time and prevents damage. Clean with rubbing alcohol to remove oils, then use a non-abrasive cleaner for stuck grime. Once done, dry with a lint-free microfiber cloth. Make sure to inspect for scratches. Test with 0000 steel wool on an inconspicuous spot to confirm it matches the grain. If it does, proceed. Keep movements with the grain, not across it, because that preserves the finish and prevents new scratches. Now you tackle deeper stains and restore the grain. Using 0000 steel wool, work in the same direction as the steel's grain with short, even strokes. This evens out light scratches and removes oxidation. Once stains lift, apply a small amount of stainless polish or a paste. Rub gently with a clean microfiber. Make sure to wipe away residue frequently so no abrasive particles remain. If you find stubborn spots, repeat gently rather than increasing pressure, because force causes new marks. Finish by applying a light, even layer of stainless polish and buffing until you see a uniform sheen. Use clean, dry microfiber and patience. Once satisfied, add a thin coat of mineral oil or a dedicated protectant to reduce fingerprints and slow reoxidation. If you detect a milky haze, stop and reclean the area with alcohol, then rebuff. Haze often comes from trapped residues. For deep scratches that still show, consider professional refinishing rather than aggressive home sanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.